Hello, cookbook friends. This is Carrie from Cookbook Divas. Let's look through the Nom Wah Cookbook, recipes and stories from 100 years at New York City's iconic dim sum restaurant, by Wilson Tang with Joshua David Stein, photographs by Alex Lau. When did this come out? I think February 2021-ish. Let's take a look. It's an imprint of HarperCollins Publishers. The Nom Wah Cookbook, recipes and stories from 100 years at New York City's iconic dim sum restaurant. The contents include a note on romanization, introduction, things you'll need, the big 3 techniques, bad, dumplings, rolls, cakes, rice, noodles, balls, chef specials, feasts, vegetables, and desserts. Was that supposed to be pronounced bod? I don't know. A note on romanization. I'll read that later. Introduction. I've never been to this restaurant. Have you? Let me know in the comments below. And that's, I think, the chef's dad. And here comes the cookbook. Things you'll need. I actually don't have a lot of these things, so I would have to do that before I get started. And I have wonderful Asian grocery stores near me because I live in Seattle. Lots of Korean and Japanese grocery stores especially. Okay, here's the techniques that you need, how to do it, etc. And I've taken cooking classes to make dumplings and to make the buns. Never made them once I got home because it's a lot of work, but I'm glad I know how. How to stuff and close a bao. Oh, it was bao, not bad. Well, the font on this book is a little weird. I wondered what they were talking about. Bao. Okay, here's a mantou, makes 15 buns recipe. House special roast pork buns. Is your mouth watering yet? Vegetable bao makes 10 buns. I probably should stop and redo the video where I read the table of contents correctly, pronouncing bao correctly, but I'm too lazy and busy because I have a lot of cookbooks to look through with you. Here comes the dumplings chapter. That's what makes this an authentic channel. Dumpling dipping sauce, and good to know. As you can expect, it's light soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sugar, and sesame oil, but the proportions are what I would be looking for there because I'm not sure. Here's gaozi. How to make gaozi. Love this. The 3 master fillings: pork master filling, shrimp master filling, no pork, no shrimp master filling with mushrooms, cabbage, mushrooms, carrot, bamboo shoots, sugar, pepper, wine. That is for us vegetarians and vegans. House special pan-fried pork dumplings. Now I can't look through the whole book. Edamame dumplings. Yum. The food photography is a little but the recipes are so cool. Who cares? Here's edamame dumplings in soup. Okay, this is good photography. It's just really close up and really blown out a little. Here's siumai. I'm assuming shrimp or pork. How to make siumai. Here is har gow, makes lots of dumplings. I'm surprised I didn't see a bamboo steamer in the ingredient list or the kitchen list. The tea guru, Timothy Shu. Lots of tea. Now here's the rolls chapter. Ooh, I have not made rolls. Plain chung fun, sweet dipping sauce for chung fun. Yutao, fried dough. Yum. Vegetable rice rolls, steamed spare rib rice rolls, etc. Chinese gravy recipe. Spring rolls. Oh, I didn't expect to see those in here. That's cool. The fish whisperer, Friedman Wong of Aqua Best Seafood. And now we're in the cakes chapter. Okay. Turnip cakes. I would so eat those, and I don't even like turnips. The Queen of Pearl River, Joanne Kwong of Pearl River Mart. Here is now we're in the rice chapter. My boyfriend's favorite dish is shrimp fried rice. And here's sticky rice with Chinese sausage. It's a grocery store. Now we're in the noodles chapter. Yum. Pan-fried noodles in superior soy sauce. That looks so good. Sloppy Joe noodles. Ho Fun noodle soup with Chinese greens. And I think we're in, shrimp balls. I'm not sure what chapter we're in now. I skipped ahead a little. Egg fried rice arancini with sambal kewpie. So it's getting Indonesian. Chef's specials. This will be cool. Stuffed eggplant, yum. If you like eggplant, salt and pepper something. Steamed spare ribs, ooh, that does not look appetizing, but I'm sure it is. Char siu family meal. And now we're getting into another chapter, Cantonese style beef fillet. Cantonese style taro and pork belly casserole. That doesn't look like a casserole. Looks cool though. Shiitake mushrooms and lettuce. And now we're into another chapter, which is, I don't know because this page is sticking. Oh, vegetables. This is my chapter as a vegetarian. Tiger beer pickles. Chinese greens with oyster sauce. Garlic chili cucumbers. Love those. And I've never tried making them. And now here's the dessert chapter. Please have sesame. Yep, fried sesame rolls with lotus paste. Yay! Oh, there they are. Love them. And almond cookies. Yum. And mooncakes, which I have made before with my mold, and they didn't taste good, but they looked good. So there. Ha. And info on Lunar New Year. That is super cool. I'm going to buy one because I like to dream that I would make all that food at home, and I would really just run out to Din Tai Fung and eat at the restaurant there. But I could dream. That's the Nom Wah Cookbook. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook reviews and previews and sneak peeks, follow Cookbook Divas on our blog. We have a podcast. We're on Instagram, YouTube, as you can imagine, Facebook, of course, and Pinterest. Bye.